In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glitch effect to text in CapCut. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to spice up your projects, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and straightforward way. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open CapCut and start a new project. Once you have the software up and running, you'll see the option to begin a new project right from the main screen. Just click on that, and you're ready to get started with your editing journey. Next, it's time to bring in the video you want to work with. Import your video files into the CapCut library, then drag and drop your chosen video clip onto the timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens. It's where you can see the sequence of your videos and have the space to make edits and add effects. Now we'll focus on adding text. On the top menu, you'll see an option labeled Text. Click on it and then select Add Text from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to create a text box where you can input whatever message you want to overlay onto your video. Once your text box is on the screen, type in the text you'd like to appear. You can move this text box around to position it exactly where you want it on the screen. Don't worry, you can always adjust this later if you change your mind. Now, let's make that text stand out. In the right-hand panel, locate the Style tab. Here, you have various font styles to choose from. For a more dynamic look, select a bold or digital-looking font. This choice will enhance the glitch effect we're going to add in the next steps. With your font selected, it's time to incorporate some animation. Click on the Animation tab, and then in the categories presented, select Loop. Loop animations are great for adding continuous movement to your text, which is perfect for the effect we're aiming for. Scroll through the available animations until you find the glitch effect. This effect will give your text that erratic and eye-catching appearance. Once you spot it, click on the glitch effect to apply it to your text. Finally, you can adjust the duration of the effect. This setting controls how fast or intense the glitch appears on your screen. You can tweak this until you feel satisfied with the look. Once everything is set to your liking, it's time to preview your work. Take a moment to watch your video and see the glitch effect in action on your text. If everything looks good, you're done. You've successfully added a glitch effect to your text using CapCut. Enjoy your new editing skills and feel free to experiment with other effects CapCut offers. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.